What's up guys, for today's video I'm going to show you how to coin roll hunt for free silver. You go to the bank, get yourself $500 bucks of $50 that is rolled like that, or you can ask the teller if they have any $50. A lot of times they silver. I have done that few times, so I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rolls, and few of them is silver ender. Like this one is 1964. And this one 69, 40%, 66. Anything under 1964, including 64, is 90% silver, and between 64 and 70, 40% silver. So let's see if on any of these enders there is going to be even more silver. Hopefully we'll strike a jackpot. I have saved this stuff, you know, I have done coin roll hunting videos plenty of times. And the easiest way to hunt for $50 is like that. You see? Let me put this in the middle, refresh your memory. For those people who haven't seen my coin roll hunting videos, boom, you see this silver is sticking out so well, and this is 90% silver. No, this is 1967, this is actually 40% silver. It doesn't have that copper look to it. So a lot of people do coin roll hunting on YouTube and just off YouTube. It's kind of fun hobby. Something about breaking into the roll like that. I always get quarters for myself, and that way I can get some silver at the same time. I look through them because quarters are always needed. So another 1967, no silver, nothing special inside there. Cool. And let's get in the next one. See if we're going to get anything good in the middle. Yes! This is a jackpot over here. Check this out. So awesome. Look at that. We have here 2 more silver coins. That is a jackpot right here. Whenever you get the ender, oh, this is the 1964 one. Really good quality too. I mean, they're pretty common, I'm pretty sure. But because it's pretty cool quality, I'll probably put it in one of those folder, and you'll just flip through. Let's see what we got here. 1967, 40% silver. Nice. And let's get 90% silver. Another 1967. Wow, pretty awesome. Whole stack of 1967. And sometimes I like to look through, see if there's any super shiny ones that stand out. I don't see anything, I'll put it away. Okay, next roll. I love it. We hit a mini jackpot over here. Ooh, another mini jackpot. No way, look at that. First of all, 1967, pretty dirty ender over here. And if you look over here, there is another silver coin over here. That's awesome. Jackpot. Look how many silver we're getting right here. They call it silver dump. This one is 1966, 40% silver. I don't remember the melt value of it. I'll look it up. But yeah, you see how this one has all copper look to it. And just real quick, I like looking it up, what dates they are. Cool. Next one. I got 2 in a row, some silver in the middle of the roll. That's awesome. $50 is the best way to go about it. They're big, easy to handle. Is it silver? I don't think so. This one looks like silver, and I don't think this one has an ender. Yeah, it does. 1968. You see, sometimes they're dirty. Hard to tell if it's a silver or not, but it is. Check the date, 1968, 40%. Is this a silver? 1969, yes, almost missed it. Wow, what a noise it makes. So yeah, another hit. Not super big jackpot, but you see it stands out, but kind of has that couple look on the line to it. If you're not sure, just check. And boom, 1969, 40%. If it was 1970, it's still good, I think, right? I remember. You can always look it up. But yeah, 1964 and under is way better, more value of silver. Another roll over here. I don't see any silver. This one did not have any enders either, so this one is nothing. But that's okay. That's awesome though. Okay, let's open up another one. Ooh, nope. I thought there was a couple of them, but I do know this one has an ender. Boom. What ender is this? 1966, 40% silver. Wow, look how many silver coins we got here. And I don't see anything right here. All has copper look, 72 and stuff. And that's how you get free silver. Most of them 1967, 65, 66, but the 64 I'm gonna separate. Boom. So, and I have one of these baggies for my other coin roll hunts. This is all 40% silvers as well. All of these are from coin roll hunts. So I'm gonna add on into my little junk silver baggie. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 40% silver, and the 10 one right here is a 90% silver. So melt value right now for 40% silver is $4, so almost $40. Right here $36, and this right here is a $9, almost $10. So right here I can go take it to a coin store or wait till silver shoot up even more and sell it for way more profit. But the point of it is, like, you got all these coins from the bank, coin roll hunt it, get free silver, turn it into coin store, or save it for yourself for your stock and wait till silver go up even higher and sell it when you need money or whatever. So super fun thing to do, and in a way it's kind of like a free silver.